Each activity involves clapping. On the count of 3, give me 1 clap. 1, 2, 3. So this is called a dexterity check. I'm going to check your dexterity. Now some of you are wondering what's dexterity, but the Dungeons and Dragons club that you have in the school does have an idea, because that actually comes from Dungeons and Dragons. Dexterity is hand-eye coordination. So if I yell out dexterity check, clap 5 times. So dexterity check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Clap 5 times again. 3 times. 3 times. Then it's haw, haw, and then a clap. Give that to me on 3. 1, 2, 3. So put it all together. I will yell out dexterity check. 5, 5, 3, 3. Haw, haw. Now this will be the speed. Watch my speed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Haw, haw. All right. So get ready with your hands. And dexterity check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Now stay standing. I love the look on your faces right now. You look like Muppets. Because then I would say, check dexterity, go backwards. Clap, ha, ha, 3, 3, 5, 5. So let's try going backwards and check dexterity. Ha, ha, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then end by yelling out your mascot. You are the only totems in North America. Be proud. So when it ends, go totems. Give me totems on 3. 1, 2, 3. I'll say, who are you, totems? Who are you, totems? So we'll put it all together. I will yell out dexterity check. 5, 5, 3, 3, ha, ha, clap. Check dexterity. Clap, ha, ha, 3, 3, 5, 5, totems. For those of you who are wondering, like your teachers, yes, teachers, this is how I make my living. That's what a history degree from Western University did for me. So get ready with your hands. And dexterity check. Check dexterity. Totems, who are you? Who are you? We're having a great year at the Home of the. Here's how a round of applause. That was awesome. Have a seat.